Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming clearance and gathering gear. This avoids setbacks. Once cleared, lay out a 2 by 2 meter space and warm up 5-10 minutes with joint rotations and light cardio. Next, choose resistance level, bands light/medium or a kettlebell matching your experience. Begin with a movement screen, bodyweight squat, hinge, push, and plank to note range of motion and balance. That tells you which regressions or progressions to use. Now begin the program's first circuit immediately. You now enter the core training sequence and focus on form overload. Start circuit style. Perform deadlift hinge, front rack squat, anti-rotation plank, and a loaded carry with 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Repeat for 3 rounds. Once done with approachable loads, use small weekly progression, add 2 to 5% weight, or 1 extra rep, because steady overload builds strength without risking form breakdown. Make sure to reset technique between sets and breathe. Intentionally, for spine, you complete the session with a deliberate cool-down and recovery plan. Spend 6 to 8 minutes on mobility and breathe through controlled stretches, plus 2 to 3 minutes foam rolling tight areas. Schedule a deload week every 4 to 6 weeks, reducing volume by 40 to 60% to let systems recover. If you encounter sharp pain, stop immediately. Regress the movement, check technique, and reduce load. If pain persists, seek professional assessment. Do not push through acute joint pain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.